Hey, this is my bike check. I got a Odyssey 7K rim, laced to a Shadow Conspiracy Raptor front hub. I got a Fit Faf tire in the front, 20 by 2.25. Got United 7.5 value forks. I got an Odyssey headset. You really can't see it. Animal Remix stem. United bars. Fit lurch frame. I just got it. It's real nice. Same in the back. I got Odyssey 7K rim, but it's laced to a Shadow Conspiracy Rant hub. Got Odyssey Twombolt cranks. Half-link chain. Animal pedals. Real nice. Wear down neat. Very easy though. And a fit seat. Yeah.